All right, so here is the excavator. This is the 1.5 ton model. This has the pilot controls. As you can see, I've updated the seat with a high back, wide, and armrests. This one has the lights on it. This also has the hydraulic lockout on it as well. This is a very good machine. Also has the blade. If you look inside, this has a gas motor in it, which I'm going to talk about, and it also has a two-stage pump, or not two-stage, but it has two different pumps, so that works very good. And yeah, it's in pretty good shape still. Haven't done much, haven't done a lot of hard work with it. I have done 3 jobs with it in the month I've had it, and I've been gone for a lot of that. But I would say it has around 10 hours on it or so, maybe a little bit more, probably more than that. Overall, it was worth every penny. These things can range on the market, like marketplace. If you go to a dealer, these are around $14,000. I got mine like half price at the auction, brand new. It's pretty good. I'm looking at getting a grading bucket for it, and that's about it. You can see the seat here. I went ahead and I changed the seat on it. So this has a wide base seat, has armrests and a high back. The one that came on it was just one of those like Amazon farm tractor ones. And basically what this allows me to do is, on these pilot controls, they're a little, like, you have to be kind of careful because they're a little jerky if you're too fast with it. And before, your arm was unsupported, so you had a lot of weight. This, but now you can rest your whole arm on here and just use your fingertips, so it's really smooth. This has just 2 controls here, and it has the pedals for the auxiliaries, which is a lot nicer than some of the ones that have levers. Yep, and it has a sunroof, sunshade, whatever you want to call it. This machine was worth every penny. It's pretty good. I have nothing really negative to say about it. Everything works. I probably have some video of me picking up some like really big rock with this that I'll find, maybe put in here. I have a couple jobs that I recorded that I'll post a video on later, but I just wanted to get out a little 1-month review. I didn't have a problem with the tracks. A lot of people say the tracks can come off, but I haven't had an issue yet. And we'll find out, like, as time goes on, if there's any other issues. I have 2 rentals coming up for this thing, so we'll see how that treats it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this thing up. I just got it here in the driveway to go ahead and wash it up. I want to do some finishing touches to the seat because I literally just put this on. But overall, it's still like brand new. It's definitely a good machine. It's good for a small business if you're doing landscaping or something. Some people say this is just good for homeowner stuff, but they're wrong. They have never used a shovel in their life, I guarantee it, because this is worth every penny. The amount of money you save on man hours and hiring people, it's definitely worth it, and nothing but good things to say. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish buttoning up the seat, and maybe we'll take it for a little spin. If not, thanks for watching. Stay tuned because there are some more videos coming of some jobs we did, which is going to be really exciting. I think I did quite a few hours on it. So, all right, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye.